This video will show you how to replace the spark plug wires on a GMC Sierra with a 6-liter engine. You'll have 4 of these along each side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove your spark plug wire, you want to first remove it from your ignition coil. Now you are going to have 4 ignition coils and of course 4 spark plug wires, and the process will be the same for the removal process here. Take hold of the spark plug wire and dislodge it from your ignition coil. If you need to give it a twist, just lightly twist and gently pull down. A thorough inspection as we continue on. Let's make our way down to where the spark plug is located. We'll just go ahead and take hold of that wire. We're going to give it a twist and slide that off of there as well. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting areas. We'll start up at our ignition coil. For this, I'm using a clean rag. I don't need any type of detergent. Now we can make our way down to the spark plug. There really isn't too much to see, but typically you're going to at least see the very tip of the spark plug. Double check to make sure it doesn't look like it's damaged in any way. Now it's time to install our brand new spark plug wire. Each one of your spark plug wires will look the same. You don't have to worry about mixing them up. Add dielectric lubricant to each side of the spark plug wire prior to continuing on. Let's start down at the spark plug. Take your spark plug wire, line it up with your spark plug, press it in. Now as I was pressing that in, I can hear an audible click. I'll give it a light tug. It does not slide out of place. Now we'll take that spark plug wire and bring it up to our ignition coil. Listen for a click there as well. There's our click and a tug. It's definitely secure. It's not twisted in any way. Repeat the process for all other spark plug wires.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.